Good morning everyone, this is Shah again with another repair video. In this video we will be fixing a iPhone 16 Plus back glass. It's actually missing. That's how the customer brought in, and there's nothing going on. There's no glass, and she dropped it, and then the glass actually came out. It got missing, so I said okay. So I just cleaned it a little bit on the edges, put some alcohol here, and just wanted to make sure that it's actually really clean before we put a new glass. The phone does turn on, so everything is working, just the back glass is missing. All around the corner, so we have to, all the edges, we have to make sure that there's no glass particles out there. There was some of the glass on the edges, so I went ahead and cleaned those, and now I'm gonna put this. We have a brand new back glass right here. That's the Apple original. So then we're gonna put this adhesive here. Just have to make sure that we aligned it very well. Like this. Okay. Now we will be removing this right here. Okay. Okay, there you go. One last touch up, just making sure there's no glass particles out there that can cause the damage to the motherboard. So that's what it actually looked like, if you can see up close. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, just make sure that there's no dust in it. Okay. We unplugged the battery. We had unplugged the battery, now we're gonna plug it back. And then this will go right here. Can go. 3 screws that needs to be there. In some of my videos, when I was fixing it, the customer came in, and then I had to go and take care of the customer, which I really don't do editing or anything like that right now. This is like the raw and then the live footage. So you know, I do apologize if the quality isn't great. I do apologize for that, but I'm learning. You're gonna see that the videos will be improving, and I just made a video about 50 subscribers, so do watch that video as well. We had about like 56 subscribers now. That's good. I honestly thought nobody would even watch it, but apparently people want to see how people are fixing phones, or how the repair people are fixing phones, so which is actually a good thing, you know. Okay, there you go. Now what we're gonna do is just make sure that we aligned it perfectly right there, like this. You should hear a clicking sound, and that's how you do it. And the phone should turn on. There you go. And then the one last step is we're gonna put the two bottom screws. This is it. You got it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.